you. See the world differently by renewing your sense of sight. Guided Meditation Day 13. The sense of sight is the sense by which we perceive the outside world. We see what is happening in front of us, to the right, to the left, above and below. Sight is a gift. But what about inner vision, spiritual vision? I'm talking about the sense of sight, which is not a physical sensation, it is internal. For example, we can look at the asphalt for a long time and see how a certain haze arises about it in the heat of the day. We can look for a long time in the evening at a distance of 5 to 10 centimeters from our fingers and see something white near our physical body. We don't have physical eyes behind our heads, but we somehow see and feel that someone is walking behind us or approaching us. But the most interesting moment is when we can see what the person will do in the near future, for example, where they will go or what action they will take. This is very interesting. To develop this feeling, we will do a meditation practice. Please sit comfortably. Relax your body. Place your hands on your lap. Turn your palms toward the sky. Do not cross your legs. Let all thoughts disappear. Allow yourself to be in silence. Turn off your phone and all other devices. Listen to yourself, to your feelings. Close your eyes and follow my voice. Now, straighten up. Your back should be straight so that the energy of the earth and the cosmos flows easily and in a balanced way through your body. Take 3 deep breaths and 3 deep exhalations. Say out loud, I am here and now. I am here and now. Direct your attention to the head area, namely the eye area. Remember to keep your eyes closed. Now, try to feel your heart. Remember the feeling of love. Imagine filling your eyes with love from your heart. The energy of love fills your eyes, your forehead, all the organs of your head. Then the energy of love spreads out and fills your entire body from head to toe. Continue to be filled with love. And now, say out loud the following. I see myself and the world around me. I see myself and the world around me. When I look at the world, I feel love for it. When I look at the world, I feel love for it. I consciously open my inner spiritual vision. I consciously open my inner spiritual vision. My eyes broadcast love. My eyes broadcast love. I see what a beautiful world surrounds me. I see what a beautiful world surrounds me. I see and feel people, their true intentions, their thoughts. I see and feel people, their true intentions, their thoughts. My physical and spiritual vision is renewed. My physical and spiritual vision is renewed. I love life, and life loves me. I love life, and life loves me. My dear friend, please continue to develop all 12 senses. In order to make life easier, more pleasant, and harmonious, you need to realize all your senses and purify them. Remember that life and the universe love you, and your angel hears you.